Hair dryers, those essential tools of modern hairstyling, have a history that spans decades and reflects the intersection of technology, fashion, and personal grooming. From humble beginnings to the sleek and powerful devices we use today, the evolution of hair dryers highlights the changing beauty standards and the role of innovation in shaping our daily routines. Let's delve into the detailed history of hair dryers, exploring their development, transformations, and impact on the world of hairstyling. Early pioneers and inventions. The concept of using hot air to dry hair dates back to the early 20th century. Early iterations of hair dryers were far from the sleek and convenient devices we know today. In the 1920s, hooded dryers resembling salon chairs with domed hoods were used in beauty salons. These were large and cumbersome, and their heating mechanisms were often unreliable. Innovations and mass production. In the 1950s, technological advancements led to the development of handheld hair dryers. These early models were compact and more user-friendly than their predecessors. The introduction of electric motors and heating elements made hair dryers more efficient and widely accessible. Streamlining design and functionality. Throughout the mid-20th century, hair dryer design and technology continued to improve. Compact and lightweight handheld models gained popularity among consumers, making at-home hairstyling more convenient. Manufacturers focused on enhancing safety features, such as improved insulation and temperature controls. The Ionic Revolution. In the late 20th century, a significant advancement emerged with the introduction of ionic hair dryers. These devices emitted negative ions to break down water molecules in the hair, resulting in faster drying times and reduced frizz. Ionic hair dryers became a game-changer for people seeking efficient and sleek hairstyles. Modern features and technological integration. As technology continued to advance, hair dryers incorporated additional features such as multiple heat and speed settings, cool shot buttons, and ergonomic designs. Ceramic and tourmaline materials were also introduced to distribute heat more evenly and reduce damage to hair. Professional and home use. Hair dryers are now available in a wide range of models designed for both professional salons and home use. Professional-grade dryers offer higher wattage and advanced features, while consumer models are designed for ease of use and portability. The history of hair dryers mirrors the evolution of beauty trends and personal grooming practices over the decades. From their early days as bulky salon equipment to the sleek and efficient tools we use today, hair dryers have become an essential part of our daily routines. The ongoing innovation in design, technology, and materials underscores the enduring quest for convenience, efficiency, and style in our modern lives. As we continue to seek the perfect blowout or hairstyle, the story of the hairdryer serves as a reminder of how beauty and technology have intertwined to enhance our self-expression and confidence.